Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 and times 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division and then this division here, and finally this multiplication. Okay, 5 divided by 5 gives us just 1. And let's recopy divided by 5 and times 5. 1 divided by 5 equals 1 over 5. And 1 over 5 times just 5. Now we can easily cancel this 5 and this 5. So our final answer to this problem is just 1.